Hi, this is Arshad. This is the I'm MSc Cybersecurity student in SLIIT. This is the case study for the ISO 27001, the subject for ISMS. So here uh, in the case study, business case template for an information security management system based on ISO IEC 27000 series standards. It's simply called ISO 27K. So here, so first of all, we written executive summary. So we plan to implement the ISO 27K in a ABC university. So that university, we consider here 5 different faculties and around 3000 students and 500 staff, all academic, administrative and non-academic staffs, and there are network devices here we implemented already: firewall device, 6 server including file server, email server, domain and DNS server and DHCP. So the 50 layer 2 network switches, 3 layer 3 switches for the entire VLAN routing purpose and distribution purpose. So one router and around 900 network computers are available to provide information and communication services. So the here ISMS Information Security Management System 2000K that provide standardization and guidelines as well. So mostly that provide the ISMS, the benefit of ISMS is it's a cost saving and also risk reduction. It's providing protect the give secure ICT infrastructure. So mostly the other important thing, process optimization is the very important thing. So before ISO 27K, first of all we have to get the approval for the implementation time. First thing we have to get the approval from executive management side. So second, we have to write the scope. So we have to do these things. We can implement in everywhere, for example network operation center and other faculties, other things. We have to write the scope, we have to implement and those things. So the area. The third thing is a asset register. Asset register is a very important thing in the ISO 27K implementation. This is the scope. We already write the main purpose of this assessment and risk treatment is to protect valuable information for secure system in organization, network devices, server, laptop, digital desktop, digital assets and other assets of the organization. And it should be protected to ensure confidentiality, integrity and availability. It's also it covers entire university ICT infrastructure. This is the thing we are going to do those things. So next one, right, the third one, asset register. So the fourth one is after asset register, there are several assets like firewall device and switches and all things. These are the assets, and people assets also available. So the main things, the next one, risk assessment. When you assess the risk, threat and vulnerabilities, threats and risks. So after analyze the risk assessment, we should provide the risk treatment plan. So after the risk treatment plan, and after we implement the controls. The controls is the very important thing here. We have to do the we have spend more cost for this control parts. So here we explain it simply. So the scope and purpose, I simply explain those things. Telling about the ISMS benefits. So information security risk reduction. So it's provide the risk reduction in many way, and also benefits of standardization. Why we need this kind of standardization? So these also provide the risk reduction and cost saving advantages mostly, and brand value and reputations, those things, and benefits of a structured approach. Here also most of the benefits of structured approach, risk reduction and cost savings are the very important thing. And one more important thing for the process optimization is the one more thing here we have to consider. So also benefit of compliance. These also the provide cost reduction and all the things. All ISMS components provide mainly process optimization, cost saving, risk reduction. This is the very next one is very important thing. Process continuity plan should be that's it provide the process continuity plan as well as disaster recovery, those things. And ISMS cost. So mainly the cost associated with the ISMS, the main part is the project controlling. When we implement the control, that's gets the most cost for in the ISMS part. So other also audit part and risk analysis team, we have to spend money for that as well, for that kind of project. So you have to implement the project here ISM implementation, project management cost, and other ISMS implementation cost. Here we explain here. So these are the things in the university environment. We have to certification cost. So the assess and select a suitable certification body for to implement these things. And next one, ongoing as in operation maintenance cost also we here mentions. So finally, the conclusion, ABC University Fine ISO 27 key implementation on ICT assets will provide strong security, reputation and cost-effective solution. So one more thing here I would like to write here, process optimization is the one most thing. So there are several benefits by implementing ISMS, such as cost saving and reputation. So these are the things the conclusion part. So this provide the secure ICT infrastructure. So mainly we need the availability for a campus network. So internet is the core important thing for the students and academic staff, and all need to take this access internet all the time. So we should make sure the availability. So all kind of things to make the availability for ICT availability, the ICT resources services should be availability, integrity. It provide the integrity and authentication and availability. Those are the very important thing to ensure by implementing ISO 27K. These are the important part for the project. Here also we provide here risk analysis seed as well, layer 3 switch, router, DHCP server, domain server, desktop, laptop, network manager. In university, this is the people asset and system analyst, digital assets, those part. So we provide the vulnerability and threat and risk and probability, impact, new risk value, determination, net risk value, then risk treatment. We provide the risk analysis sheet and risk treatment things. So here the asset register also, we have to register the asset things here. So if these are the things we have to make sure the assets. So here I implement the server, Active Directory domain server, the asset information. The asset information also we need. DHCP server, Active Directory, those part also we did these things. So it's all about we have to do all digital asset, what kind of assets we available we have to register. For example, in software part, library management system is the software one, in student management system, those part we have registered as an asset. So these are the things we're going to explain in the business case for ISO 27001. So this is all about this one. Thank you so much for this one. And also I would like to type here in the scope part uh, the scope uh, mm, right, this additionally we have to mark here it covers entire university ICT resources including people asset. So these are the scope of this project. So we have to did this part as well. So this is all about these things. So thank you very much for watching this.